my commitment and my faithfulness
my commitment and my faithfulness
with all that I am
with all that I am
and all that God has afforded me.
and all that God has afforded me.
I honor you.
I honor you.
Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. And in the bad times I fear myself. Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hardcore? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. And in the
I promise to provide for you, to care for your needs, and to be the husband you deserve. My deepest prayer is for a long, happy, and healthy life together, one full of laughter, abundant in love, and centered on Him.
Ecclesiastes 4:12. Though one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A cord of 3 strands is not quickly broken. The central theme of the 3-chord knot is that a marriage is made unbreakably strong when God is woven into the very center of the relationship. Ecclesiastes establishes the core principle: 2 are good, but a cord of 3 strands is not quickly broken. The other verses identify that essential 3rd strand as God, explaining why His presence is so critical. He is the builder, He is the guide, He is the source of life. Psalm 127, He's the builder, teaches that unless the Lord builds the marriage, the couple's efforts are ultimately in vain. He provides the foundation. He is the guide. Proverbs 3 shows that by trusting in the Lord instead of their own understanding, He will direct their path as a couple. He is the source of life. John 15 reveals that just as a branch cannot bear fruit apart from the vine, a marriage cannot truly thrive or be fruitful unless it remains intimately connected to Jesus. In short, these 3 chords symbolize 2 partners who, when intentionally woven together with God, create a relationship that is not just strong, but divinely founded, guided, and sustained for the journey ahead.
that's the great thing about life. We keep growing, we keep learning, and we keep getting better at love. And Christine, I have to say, you brought out a version of my brother that is more grounded, more joyful, and more himself than ever before. You two truly complement each other, and it's clear how much love you share. So let's raise our glasses to lasting love and to finding the person who makes every day a little bit brighter. Here's to David and Christine. May your marriage be full of laughter, patience, and a lifetime of small, beautiful moments.
I'm so excited to see what the Lord has in store for you both and this lifetime together here on earth. May God bless you in your marriage. Let's cheers to Christine and David. Love you both.
David and team. Throughout the past year of planning for this wedding, what I have most consistently heard you express an expectation for this big day is the desire for your Lord Jesus to be honored. And for the special guests attending your wedding to encounter the God who rescued you. You both have been personally transformed by the story I just told, and you long for the ones you love to experience the same. This speaks volumes to who you are and who you are becoming.
You're invited. You're invited.